Good morning. Let's figure out where we left off. So we just have to go here, log in once again. Same crap like we always have to do. Okay, so where we left off is we're just going to finish these back end put routes. Then we're going to try to conquer this admin bug once and for all. So, groups. Today we're just going to edit the group, my groups, destroy group, edit group. Figure out where we're going. Group slash ID slash edit. Group routes. Router.delete. Router.current. Router.post. Router.put. And we got router.delete slash ID slash edit. I'm just gonna put you. That kind of concerns me. In Express, so they all had to be exact, or can I? No, I think we're good in that. Async. I'm gonna once I just finish this little boilerplate, I'll double check that. It's a good question. Res fat arrow. Let's figure that out. But am wondering if it would conflict with the delete one. They will do not have to be unique, correct? Okay, yeah. I mean, that's. Alright, good. It's too early to think sometimes. So let's go back here. Go back to repo. Go back to meetup. And figure out what the hell we have to do here. DB, no, not DB. Routes, API, groups. Bring you back here. Get rid of you. Because I think we just have to do the. This is not for both. I don't think it's for both of them. There was maybe a separate put route for the address part because it's different for some reason. Yeah. Get one group thunk, edit group thunk. Get one group thunk. So we have to get one group thunk first too. And edit group thunk. Then update address. Get one location thunk. Okay, yeah, so in this case, it's edit location thunk. So we have like two separate thunks, or at least two separate processes, which is absolutely fine by me. Alright, so let's just go back here. Put member update turn. Gotcha. Yeah, this is a good boilerplate. Sometimes you forget the most basic of the things. So this goes there. Slash current. Edit is good. So const ID equals rec.params. And figure out what these people are getting. Better start with one group thunk. Alright, let's just start with the router.get one group thunk first. Bloody hell. So let's stop bloody hell. Or I have it pretty much done. Fetch my group thunk. Delete group thunk. Create group thunk. Edit group thunk. Get one group thunk. Router. Bloody hell. What's with this bloody hell crap today? Router.get. Edit one slash ID. Restore user. Require auth. Async. Rec. Res. Okay. And what are we doing? We're just getting one group. Talents group equals router. Wait. Charities dot find by peak ID. You're not gonna know what that is. Const ID equals rec.params. Now that I knows what it is. Res.json group. And we can always add error stuff later on. ID slash edit. And finally, do they go in complex to simple or the other way around. I asked this before. Good, good, good. Okay, good. So, that's a sad. You kind of confused. Proxy error. What the bloody hell? Ew. Interesting error. Okay, we don't have. Yeah, no, we have a charities. Hmm. So I don't know what the hell this means. Oh, that ID. Let's do this now. And it's not working. It's not working because it doesn't survive a manual refresh. So let's just finish this error. I mean, not finish this error. Finish this little thing. And then I might just have to do it off screen because I need two monitors. Just to finish this thing once and for all. I am in current requests. My current group slow. No, you're definitely not in groups. It is current. See, now we have something really weird. So let's cut you. Put you here. Are you gonna die on me? Probably. No, you survive somehow. Okay, now it works. So that had something to do with the order. That makes it sound so trying to wrap my head around that. Okay, so let's edit details. Here we go. Cannot read properties of undefined reading 1. Select ID, title, and time. Request where username equals use rings. No, that's not. No, that's something else. Okay, undefined reading one. This is just an edit charity form. Doesn't even seem like it got too refused. Okay, let's go back to edit charity form and just figure out what the hell's going on here. And it seems like it goes, yeah, it says it's a string. So we wouldn't have to deal with this crap. Get one group thunk. Use .params. So we just have to do this. I don't know if this is ever going to get annoyed with me. General, I think this is, we just have to make this int. Oh, it returns it as strings. Remove loaded dependency. Okay. 3 errors. Okay, this returns it as strings. So, first things first. Number.id. Okay. And change all the use states to group ID. Makes sense. And then Yeah, I'm looking up. Easier to do that. It's easier to do this than change ID in a million different places. So group ID, group ID, group ID. Update inside use effect. Huh? So it wants me to change everything. See, this is how it fucks up sometimes. Sometimes this stuff is just bizarre. And what else? Group ID. And it runs it whenever there's a state change. That makes sense. So it's eventually, if it's in the beginning, undefined, it'll eventually do its job when it comes back to being right. And a second use effect on top of this one. And these things are now all changed as well. Name depravity. Charities is charities, where charities ID equals 1. Good. Remove loaded dependency. And shoved it in here. And you're right, because I never in any of these change set is loaded to true. There we go. Actually, you did. It's right up there. And this current. This is turning because the pipe crashed. So we had to do this, and then we could finally fix that authorization thing once and for all. Yeah, we're still getting that. Let me figure out what the hell this is. Amen. Next date. 1. Yeah, it's right here. Line 45. Group ID. Did someone screwed up here? Alright. You and I caused this error, chat. You're the one that's gonna fix it. That. And this. Alright, fix my error, please. That you were supposed to fix, but you didn't. Uh-oh. That says I'm doing that. No, it said I was using your group ID. Oh yeah. Of course, it's not going to work that way if you're. I was using group ID twice, but charity's ID goes. Okay, so I mean it's just difficult because I only have suitor data for one group, so I was just making sure that works. Login structure. Alright. Makes sense. Okay, good. New error. Line 50. Ooh. What that is. That is because I didn't type console.log. There we go. Okay, this is up and about. I just want to see what the state is because what I want is ideally like these things to be populated. Is below. I was wondering how to get the stuff in the state to populate the inputs. Gotcha. Looted and group ID. Isn't that what you didn't want me to do? And they were happy largely because if it's originally false, when it changes to true, it'll run again, which means all this stuff will populate once and for all. I think. Still trying to wrap my head around this stuff. Alright. Back to home page. Uh-oh. Let's just get this to populate and fix. Then we could deal with this authorization again. Part of me thinks I'm trying to... Yeah, it's not working. That's definitely not working. Hmm. Yeah, this is not working. Always a little thing. So let's just see what the hell is going on here. And the traditional crap. Console.log. I am name. Name. Oh yeah, that's not gonna work that well if you can even see the state. About purpose. Any other changes? No. Might help. If all these things default to false, and anything different? Nothing different. Maybe the way I'm plugging into this thing. So it's group. I think I'm just plugging this in wrong. I just undo that stuff. Undo this. Control Z. Boink, boink, boink. Hmm. State groups. Alright. New battery of console logs. Console.log groups. Loop. My bad. Undefined. And it should not be defined because here is group. And it's not groups, it's group. There we go. Okay, so now that we got that finally figured out, and we can alter it now. Okay, so purple monkey. There we go. I was gonna say purple monkey dishwasher, but okay, that works now. It's a miracle. Now let's just make a poor man hood route. As I have to get ready for work. It's going to be a long day today because pretty much I have to give a bunch of stuff to some judge. Then I have to go to a lobster company. And I actually get I think it's like $300 today, which is not that bad. And I don't need to pay my notary or anything, so it's a bunch of crap. I'll be back around 2 o'clock. I have my second job, so at least I have work today. I mean, when you have work, you have to just be grateful when you have a job. If your job sucks, just be grateful you have a job. Yeah, it's membership.update. Knew that. Updated group. Good, 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 good. Good. So we had to start with. We actually had to start with that. Okay. Okay, I see how they do it. They just pretty much just got this group part just for validation. I'm not using the word they to represent myself. It's weird. Alright. founder. Page 53. What is the issue? What is the issue? The ID. There we go. And it's not going to do anything because I didn't even use it yet. Good. Okay, and now we need to just console the body because it's going to be slightly different. Because I don't know what the hell they're getting. I'm doing the set save part. Might as well just do it. I mean, if you forget things, you just have to. I mean, you just have to like type them a million times, so then you could figure it out. And are you going to be getting this? I don't know what you're going to be getting. So let's just console log you. And we can figure out console.log rectabody. Figure out what you want. Crash. Nexus not defined. Die. Air dot status. Did I do something bad? Is it giving me that error? No, it's saying error. Not founder. Lose rings. Username. Let's try this again. Okay, good. Okay, is there anything else? Because unfortunately I have to get to work, so this is great. And you, and you. Alright, I gotta get to work. Yeah, you just can't put that off. Alright, I'm ending this episode. in the 50 minutes that we had, we've accomplished pretty much nothing. Alright, everybody, this is North Staten Island, signing out.